Alright, what's up, Redline? We're doing hide and seek in cars. I'm the seeker. I gave them a certain amount of minutes, 7 minutes. We're gonna go look for everybody. It's dark outside. I wasn't expecting to do this at dark.
Left right here, that would be a solid choice. He did not take a left. I don't know how much time we have left, but I feel like we don't have a lot. And Ison keeps getting us stuck behind the slowest vehicles. I'm literally not following him. Once I get the chance to turn away, I'm getting out from behind him. And Will's just following us over every single speed bump. Oh, ouch. I hate bumps. Alright, we're making a right here. Ison goes, let's see. He's going right.
They ain't finding us here.
They're not. We're cooking. We just see lights coming from that way.
You see the M3 lights coming that way?
Yeah. You already caught both of them?
Because they're kind of in a weird spot.
Yeah, I know, right?
They're kind of like...
They went off somewhere.
I'm not sure where the 5-0 went. Probably waking up everybody in the neighborhood.
Alright, we looking for them. Had to pull out the map so I can record at the same time while looking. Now they won't hear this until, they won't see the video until later. But I have like no lights, completely no lights on. I'm in here just straight dark.
Speed bump. I was paying attention to my phone. Car's a little warm. Okay, I need to find a spot ASAP. I'm not sure where Ison's going, but definitely not going with him. Let's see. I bet he's gonna make a left right here. I'm almost sure. Actually, I may go in the new neighborhood. I've been saying that I'm not gonna go with Ison this whole time. I'm gonna split up with him a little, but shoot. Alright, Nathan said we got 2 minutes left. Let's see. I'm not sure where to go. I could go.
Alright. Now they can hear my exhaust, but I'm gonna look and see if they have any friends and they parked in driveways, because that would be a good hiding spot. We got this quick right turn right here. Let's turn the music up a little bit. Not like overly loud, but like loud enough to where.
Let's see. I'm not sure where Ison's gonna go. That's the thing.
Shit, I'm on the wrong side of the road.
Is that lights?
Whoops.
Oh, it's a truck. We're good.
Okay. We're gonna go left. Ison went straight.
We were moving because Nathan doesn't know how to seek.
What if I parked in one of the new driveways? I'm not sure. I don't think that's off of limits. Ooh, so many rocks. Ouch. Some of these houses are like newly built. There's some cars. Hold on. Roll up my window. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn around and park in one of those new driveways back there. There's Ison. Alright, so we're gonna turn left. I want to make sure that I'm not like parking in somebody's driveway though. Some of these have lights, that's not good. It's the opposite of what I need. Alright, our time is up, and I'm still not found a spot. Okay, I'm gonna move fast. Alright, y'all, I think this is Nathan. If it is, I'm probably screwed because his lights are on this time and they're shining right in my car. No way. Is he turning around? Should I flash my lights at him? Flashed him twice and he didn't see us. Alright, I'll get right back to y'all.
We'll find Nathan before he finds us. Pull in here.
There's Nathan. He didn't see me. No way. Should I flash my headlights or? I think he knows. He's just sitting down there. If he turns around, I promise I'm cooked. I shouldn't have flashed my lights. I don't know what he's doing. It's kind of freaking me out. I don't know where he went. Alright, I'll hit y'all if another update happens.
Alright, we're back. We got a new spot. We're more near Nathan, so he can maybe find us one of these days.
Alright, so we're currently driving. Not trying to get caught up by Nathan. I'm a little bit scared. Not gonna lie. I'll pop out on Ison though. See if I can talk to Ison real quick and not get caught. Hold on, I gotta make a... Oh, I can't see Ison down here. flashing me. It's muddy.
We're gonna chase you, Braxton. Come here, boy. Check that Porsche.
That's just kind of tough.
That is okay, who's gonna be filmed for?
Do I go straight or right?
Yeah, go straight. Hi, Braxton.
I can't fucking see. You better go for Braxton. He ain't gonna catch me. Oh,
Dang it, we got found. Because that back there is Mr. Nathan. Alright, let's go get Braxton. Go, Braxton, go!
I'm gonna slow Nathan down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop at a stop sign.
We're driving cautiously in a neighborhood. Let's go find Ison.
I don't know where Ice is at, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I have no clue. Oh, there he goes.
What is shit? Hey, you know he be getting letting in there.
It's a random bike.
Yo,
Hey, bro, I got found, but I saved you.
oh my god. Did you see me?
Where's
Yeah, I
Ison
saw
at?
you. Your lights are still on.
Yeah, no, I think Nathan just stopped. Did he?
No, we pulled past you.
Where's Ison at, you know?
Yeah, I know Ison's back. He's just
Hold on, be quiet, be quiet.
Y'all part of the sneaking team now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we know.
You know where Braxton is?
Nah.
He said he saw me. I saw him. Like he flew past a stop sign, and I was on the phone with him, and then I hung up to try to catch him. That's when some lady just yelled at me.
Yeah, no, we haven't seen
I
him.
didn't have my headlights on.
We saw him earlier, but we haven't seen him, like, you know,
Yeah.
recent.
Yeah.
See, Ison's car
Hey,
is
there's
hard
a
to find.
car
It's
coming,
black.
and I'm coming behind y'all. There's a car coming. Go.
Alright, so where's Ison at?
Yeah, where's the icing?
He's down there at cul-de-sac. Keep driving. I'm like right behind y'all, trying to get away from this car.
Alright.
I'm gonna take a left.
Alright, Chinese fire drill.
Hey, Cub, how far away is icing from here?
Out of the 5.0. To the Eco-Boost.
I bet.
Successful Chinese fire drill.
That was kind of crazy. So yes, you were in with there with Will, so you knew. But like, dude, I was just sitting there like they were baiting Nathan so he wouldn't see me, and then I was behind him and he finally saw me. We're gonna get the cops called on us. Some girl yelled at me because I had my lights out and I was speeding and she was walking her dog. Yeah, I felt cooked.
Turn off, please, please. Hear him.